Hey everyone, it's Mr. Apple iPhone Apps here with you, and today I am going to show you how to transfer files from your iPhone or iPod Touch to and from your computer using WinSCP and Open SSH. Now, the first thing you're going to need for this is, of course, a jailbroken iPod, and you will need to download WinSCP, and I will show you what you need to do to get Open SSH. Now, here's the jailbroken iPod that we have here. So, you're going to go into Cydia down here. What you're going to search for is Open. Just type in Open, go down to the O's. It's going to be Open SSH right there. That's what it's going to look like. You're going to open it. And up here you're going to hit install. I already have it installed right now. It's going to have a picture of a little blowfish there. That's the Open SSH. And to access that, you're going to have to look for toggle. Oops, there it was. Toggle SSH. And you're going to look for that. Select that, hit install up here, and you'll have that set up. Now, when you have that installed, you're going to go to Google, go to Firefox, and in here, Google search, you're going to type in WinSCP, and you're going to hit Google search, and it's actually going to be that first guy that pops up right there, the WinSCP right here. It's a client, it's an open client FTP download for Windows, and down here you're going to go, it should be right down here. You can select any of these guys down here. Let me zoom out so you can see a little better. You can select any of these guys down here as long as it says WinSCP. Now, when that's downloaded, you're going to go back to your home screen and you're going to go to WinSCP. It's going to have a little icon like this guy. That's going to be the icon right there, the WinSCP. Now, alright, now here's where the fun part comes in. You're going to have a window like this. Now here's where you go to your newly, and make sure you reboot when you put on these new things from Cydia too. I would recommend that, even though it does restart on its own. Just in case, you never know. Okay, you're going to go to toggle SCP icon right there. And there's the SSH daemon. That's what you're going to want. This is going to be able to enable and disable the connection between your computer and the file transfers. Now, the thing you're going to want to look for, when this first pops up here for this WinSCP, it is actually going to be empty up there when you first do it. So, with that, you're going to need to hit new, and you're going to have to go here. Now, your host name is going to actually be your IP address for the Wi-Fi connection that you're using. You do need the Wi-Fi for this. And the way you find that is you go to your settings, your iPhone settings, and you're going to go down to the Wi-Fi. And here it shows what it is. And you're going to look for your IP address. It's going to be right there. It's going to say IP address, and that's where you type it in this host name. Blah blah. I'm going to type it into the host name right there. Create a username. The username is going to be root, and the password is going to be Alpine. That's ALPINE. And then after that, you can hit login when you hit that up. Get back in here. And you're going to have this screen again where you logged in, and it's going to save that there. Now, once you have that established there on your computer, you go back to your toggle SSH, your SSH daemon right here, and make sure you have this enabled before anything. It's going to enable a connection to your Wi-Fi, and down here you can hit your login right down there. It's going to search for it, and it might take a few tries if anything. It's connecting to host. Password down at the bottom is going to be Alpine again. That's going to be your key thing, and there you go. On this side right here, you have all of your iPhone or iTouch files, and on this side you're going to have all of your computer files. On here, all of your files, so you will be able to transfer between them. Now, quickly and easily, you'll be able to transfer any type of ROM files for any kind of emulators you have or anything like that. You just have to make sure that you establish a base folder and the correct folder links and folders and subfolders as well. And if you have that established, then you should be able to transfer it easily onto any folder that you want. So that's basically how that works with WinSCP. And now you'll be able to easily connect to any type of files either from your iPhone, or you can transfer files over. And when you want to leave it, you just simply close out. It's going to ask you to terminate session, and you hit OK, and it's just going to automatically close it out. Disable your connection. You're good to go. Back to the beginning. Alright guys, until then, catch you next time.